Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where to get the blueprints for the Sonic Resonator inside of Subnautica 2. So to start things out, we're over here by the Lifepod, and we're going to zip over somewhere between 3:30 and 3:45. Both of these particular fragments are like right next to each other, so while it might be a tiny bit dangerous over here initially, it's a good place to get started. So the first place we want to start is right here by this cave mouth with a little flashlight next to it. And we're going to pop down here, and our first scannable chunk is this Sonic Resonator that's sitting right here. After that, we're going to pop back into either our sea moth or just using our wake maker. We're going to sneak past this thing here, which in your game might be infected and surrounded by critters, but don't worry about it. Just ignore them and come down to this little cave here. And inside of here is your Sonic Resonator number 2. And this normally requires 2 fragments in order to complete. Now, if this particular location is giving you trouble and you don't want to mess with it, your alternative is to go back over here to that other cave where you just started out, right here. And then you want to face sort of to 60 on your compass, maybe closer to 75. Over here is the Camp 1 ruins, and on the other side of the Camp 1 ruins, kind of outside of everything, is another Sonic Resonator fragment. So somewhere way over here, down here underneath these rocks, there is another Sonic Resonator sitting right here in the event that that other area full of critters was giving you too many problems. So with those 3 locations, you should be able to finish your Sonic Resonator scan. And the Sonic Resonator itself is not too expensive. It takes a battery, 2 titanium ingots, some lead, and a wiring kit. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.